What's the meaning of A Christmas Carol? A Christmas Carol. 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 A Christmas Carol is a novella by Charles Dickens. First published in 1843. It tells the story of Ebenezer Scrooge, a bitter and miserly old man who is visited by the ghosts of Christmas past, present, and yet to come. The ghosts show Scrooge the error of his ways, and he is ultimately transformed into a kind and generous man. The story is a classic tale of redemption and the importance of compassion. Briefly, A Christmas Carol is a story about the importance of love, compassion, and generosity. It teaches us that it is never too late to change our ways and that we should always be mindful of those less fortunate than ourselves.